next point is the electric potential and potential energy. Here we know that electric potential energy is the stored energy which is depends upon the positions of the relative constituents. Here we know about the potential energy. Potential energy means the stored energy. Here we consider the electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy is the work done against the electrostatic force to achieve a certain configuration of charges in given system. Means electrostatic potential energy is the work done against electrostatic forces to achieve a certain configuration of charges in a given system. This is called as the electrostatic potential energy. Here every system tries to achieve a minimum potential energy. So work has to be required to achieve a certain configuration. We know that like charges repel, unlike charges attract each other. A charge exerts a force on the other charge. If the charge moving from one point to another point, then the charge exerts a force on the other charge, and if they exerts a force on other charge, work has to be done in moving the charges from one point to another point. Then the potential energy arises due to the movement of the charges. Means charge is stored. So if then the charge is stored, here we consider the capital Q is the charge situated at point near in space net. Then bringing the another charge Q0 close to it. If the small Q0 charge is bringing them close to the capital Q charge, then work has to be done. Then if the work has to be done, then this work done against a electrostatic force is equal to the change in potential energy of the system. Therefore work done against a electrostatic force is equal to the increase in potential energy of the system. So F bar into dr bar is equal to du. Here means F bar means electrostatic force, dr means displacement, and there if work done is equal to the increase in displacement. Here work, we know that the formula of the work is W is equal to F into S. There is a displacement, means whenever charge move from one point to another point, there is a displacement. This displacement is dr, and if the force is applied, then this force is F. Then the total work done, means this total work done is equal to the increase in potential energy du. Means here F bar into dr bar is equal to du. This bar means this gives the direction and is equal to the increase in potential energy. So thank you. In next video we study about the expression of potential energy.